Hi, I'm Sam Spade. I'm here to show you the next generation of performance watercraft hull design. Beside me to the right is probably the most visually stunning personal watercraft on the planet, the new Sea-Doo RXP. This guy behind me is one of the development boats used to help bring this guy to life. We wanted to basically set all new standards in regards to performance handling, and I think we got just that with this boat. Essentially, we have a multi-staged running surface. That's where the T-hull term comes from. We have a center running pad that is actually dropped and lowered compared to the outside width of the boat. So it gives you the feel of a light, nimble, smaller vehicle while masked inside of this bigger package. The entire stem line is very aggressive. That allows us to knife through chop. Up in the front, you have some quite aggressive anti-dive and splash details. When you chop the throttle under heavy decelerations, the boat aggressively pitches to the nose. These details will actually support the boat. We were shooting for a full lean-in hull design. Some of the ways we accomplished that, one by the narrow running pad that I mentioned, but also by the aggressive soft chine. As we begin to lean the boat into the water, this actually has a spooning effect, and it literally sucks and draws the boat to the water. We have a really fun, neat, innovative sponsored design with a new winglet feature. Basically in a straight line, there is some stabilizing force on the back side of the winglet. Water gets on the top side of the winglet, pressurizes the top side, and again helps further enhance that banking angle. Moving to the back, we have a trim plate feature. These essentially provide lateral stability. They help prevent aggressive bow rises. They also provide some straight line stability as well. If you're looking for the ultimate in personal watercraft handling, the T3 hull is it. Get to your Sea-Doo dealer, find out some more information. This is an amazing machine.